Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, sir.
So today we will read a story, and that is our chapter also. And the chapter name is
The Wise Parrot.
This is about a parrot. But parrot is very wise in this story. So first of all, we will recite a poem like Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Okay. So little bird, fly around.
Little bird, fly around.
Up to the sky, down to the ground.
Up to the sky, down to the ground.
Little bird, flap your wings.
Little bird, flap your wings.
Open your beak and sweetly sing.
Open your beak and sweetly sing.
Little bird, fly to your nest.
Little bird, fly to your nest.
Now it's time to take a rest.
Now it's time to take your rest.
So this is rhyme. Now we will start. Are you looking at picture in this screen?
Yes.
So one or two students will tell me that what are you looking in this picture? Priyadarshini. What are you looking in this picture? A colorful parrot. Okay, Arju.
Beautiful parrot.
Beautiful parrot.
Open sky.
Huh? Okay, open sky. Yes.
One parrot fly in open sky.
Okay. So किसी बच्चे ने बोला कि ब्यूटीफुल पैरट है, ओपन स्काई है, ये भी बोल सकते हैं ना, फीलिंग वेरी हैप्पी. ओके. So do you know about a parrot? A parrot can be wise. मतलब तोते भी बुद्धिमान होते, जानते हैं आप? तो what do you know about a parrot? Its color green, its beak red. So more we will know about the parrot. So Abhyans will tell you that 4-5 sentences about a parrot.
Good morning to everyone. My name is Abhyans. I'm here to tell you something about parrots. Parrots hearing work more slowly than those of other birds. That means parrots can easily talk like humans, mainly like men. Usually, parrots are found in hot countries, but they can survive quite well in cold places also. And parrots' mouth is different than ours. The parrot mouth heat receptors work differently. That means they can't feel the spiciness of a pepper. Thank you.
Would you clap for him? Now we will start our story. We will compose our story with the help of some pictures. Okay? So I will call you one by one, and they will ask you something. You will give the answer, and after they will explain about this picture. So first picture is this.
What are you looking in this picture? Answer.
Yes.
One parrot in a cage of gold.
One parrot is in cage of gold. Okay, next. Merchant. Bolo, Babu.
Once there was a rich merchant. He had a beautiful parrot in a golden cage. Once there was a rich merchant. He had a beautiful parrot in a golden cage.
Okay. Once there was a merchant, rich merchant, and he had a talkative parrot in cage of gold. So first sentence. Okay, next. Number 2. Number 3, number 4 हो गया.
What are you looking in this picture?
जो बोल रहा हूँ उसको करना अच्छे से.
The well tender fruits.
हाँ, दोबारा.
Tender
Tender fruits.
Chavi. Cage of gold.
Okay.
Gunjan, parrot.
Parrot. Okay.
Yes, the merchant took care of his four need. He provided some tender fruit, chili, and extra.
Okay. Merchant took care the parrot very well, because you are looking some tender fruits, vegetables, chilies. So he took care in very well. Next.
What are you looking in this picture? Lakshmi. Parrot.
Parrot.
Mikansh. Parrot dream to fly on the open sky. Karthik. Cage of gold.
Yes, but the parrot was not happy because he enjoyed its bright and talkative nature.
Merchant provided him tender foods and took care him well, but he was not happy. And he is dreaming, always dreaming to fly in the open sky. हमेशा यही सोचता था कि मैं भी काश आसमान में उड़ूं. मतलब फ्रीडम चाहिए था उसको. Yes.
What are you looking in this picture? Pranjal, a golden cage. Manvi, parrot, deer, merchant.
Okay.
One day the merchant was going on a trip, so he asked the parrot told his greetings for his wish.
Okay. One day the merchant was going on a business trip. Business trip पे जा रहा था और उसने तोते से पूछा कि what do you want? तोते ने मना किया कि मुझे तो फ्रीडम चाहिए. लेकिन जब उससे पूछा कि क्या करना है मुझे, क्या तुम्हारे लिए चाहिए, तो उसने बोला कि जो फॉरेस्ट में कुछ पैरट्स हैं, मेरे रिलेटिव्स हैं, उनको मेरी तरफ से क्या कन्वे करना है, ग्रीटिंग्स करना है, मेरी तरफ से शुभकामनाएं देना उनको. ओके. नेक्स्ट.
What are you looking in this picture? This picture
उलट दक्ष.
tree. The
Parrots.
Parrots, beautiful parrots, flight of parrots.
merchant.
Merchant. Okay.
When he reached the forest, he saw a flight of beautiful parrots. He conveyed his pet message to them.
Okay. When he reached to the forest, then you are looking flight of parrots and बहुत सारे इसमें तोते हैं. तो उसने जो उसके पैरट ने जो मैसेज कन्वे करने के लिए बोला था, वो उसने कन्वे कर दिया उनके साथ में कि पैरट ने आपको शुभकामनाएं भेजी हैं. ओके. उसके बाद क्या हुआ? नेक्स्ट पिक्चर.
What are you looking in this picture?
ओके.
Arjun, merchant,
मर्चेंट,
Priyadashini, parrots,
पैरट्स, फ्लाइट ऑफ पैरट्स. ओके.
Lakshadweep.
Trees.
ओके.
Yes. When he finished the message, one of them fell on the ground and he went away.
जब उसने मैसेज कन्वे किया तो उनमें से एक जो तोता था वो क्या हो गया? नीचे गिर गया, फॉल डाउन हो गया, फेल डाउन हो गया. ओके. नेक्स्ट.
What are you doing in the picture?
यस.
Merchant,
मर्चेंट.
yellow ball,
रियांसी.
One parrot.
रियांसी.
parrot.
पैरट. ओके.
When the merchant returned home, he described all the incident at O Forest.
जब मर्चेंट वापस घर लौटा, रिटर्न हुआ, तो उसने जो जंगल में जो भी इंसिडेंट हैपन हुई थी, जो भी घटना घटित हुई थी, सारी उसने अपने पैट उस तोते के सामने डिस्क्राइब किया. और डिस्क्राइब किया तो क्या हुआ? नेक्स्ट पिक्चर. यस. जब उसने डिस्क्राइब किया तो क्या हुआ?
What are you looking in this picture?
नक्शु. नक्शु.
Merchant,
मर्चेंट. यस. आभास. ओके. केस. यस.
When he finished the incident of the forest, his pet fell down in the cage, and then he killed all the witnesses.
ओके. जब उसने वो स्टोरी डिस्क्राइब की फॉरेस्ट वाली, तो उसका जो पेट था वो भी वहाँ पे ड्रॉप डाउन हो गया. यानी जो उसके अंदर केज ऑफ गोल्ड में बैठा था ना, वो पर्च के ऊपर, तो वहाँ से वो भी गिर गया उसकी स्टोरी सुन करके. यस. नेक्स्ट.
what are you looking in this picture?
हार्दिक सिंह.
Parrot.
यस.
The parrot scared up and flew away in the sky saying goodbye.
जब उसने उसको विंडो सिल पे रख दिया कि उसको मरा हुआ समझ के, क्या सच में वो मर गया था कि तोता मरा हुआ था? तो क्या हुआ था? He was pretending to be dead. मरने का क्या कर रहा था? प्रिटेंड कर रहा था, बहाना कर रहा था, नाटक कर रहा था. तो उसने विंडो सिल पे रख दिया और वहाँ से थोड़ी देर के बाद वो उड़ गया, और ये कहते हुए कि गुड बाय, मेरे दोस्तों ने मुझे बताया कि कैसे बचना है.
Opposite of clean.
Yes, dirty.
Opposite of free.
Opposite of free. Trap. Free का मतलब आजाद, trapped का मतलब जिसको फंसा लिया हो जाल में. Yes. Open.
Opposite of inside.
Inside.
Opposite of talkative.
Opposite of talkative.
Quiet.
Talkative यानी बातूनी जो ज्यादा बोलता है, बातचीत करता है, और
Opposite
quiet.
of rich.
Rich का opposite. Poor. Okay, PWR, poor. Next. Opposite of
What
rich.
is the opposite of rich? Poor.
Poor.
Your answer is correct. Poor.
Poor. What is the opposite of wise? Foolish. Wise parrot, foolish parrot.
Opposite of trapped.
Free.
Opposite of true.
True, false. यानी सही गलत. Opposite of happy.
Opposite of happy.
Sad.
Sad.
Yes.
Opposite of finish.
Start. Opposite of true. False. Opposite of kind.
Kind.
Cruel. Kind मतलब दयालु, cruel मतलब निर्दयी, जिसको दया नहीं आती. Opposite of cruel. Kind. Kind. Opposite of wise. Foolish. Okay. Completed. Now we will see the forms of work. First form, second form. First form, second form. Yes. First form, second form. First form, second form. Tell, told. Buy, bought. Speak, spoke. Speak, spoke. Shop, shocked. Buy, bought. Come, came. See, saw.
Second form of clean.
Clean. Okay. Next.
Go, went.
Go, went. Go, went. Take. Second form of take. Took. Take, took. Dig. Dug. Dig मतलब खोदना. Dug मतलब खोदा. Yes, और हो गया completed. हाँ. Give. Gave. Okay.
Go, went.
So this was the story, and the story name was The Wise Parrot. So did you understand about this story?
Yes, sir.
So हमने इन पिक्चर्स के हेल्प से इसको पढ़ा देखो. ये one by one आप you can see the pictures. Looking sad. Flying in the open sky. Pretend to be dead. He is taking him away outside. Provided him tender fruit, vegetables, chilies, talking with jungle's forest, and one parrot fell down. Jungle's parrot. Going to a business trip, and he is asking for his wish. Rich merchant had talkative parrot, and at last, in this picture, the parrot is dreaming to fly in the open sky. In this picture, the parrot told him beautiful stories and songs to the merchant. And at last we can solve this quiz also. You can solve this quiz at your home. Google quiz.